Listen to your father. 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 I'll feel your exam. I'll feel your exam.
Leave me alone!
I'll feel your exam. I'll feel your exam. I'll feel your exam.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
I'll feel your exam.
It's just a dream. Oh, thank God. Thank God it's just a dream. Oh, no. It's past 8. Oh, not today. Not today of all days. Today, Monday. No. to go. I'm running late.
Mirabel. I think you need to postpone this movement. I've told you.
Dad, we've been over this. I have exams and some other things to catch up with.
Mirabel, I wish you will understand. I wish you can understand. I have a feeling that this wouldn't turn out good. Please, listen to me. I am your father. Don't embark on this journey, Mirabel.
Dad, I've been with you all through my holiday period. Or are you just trying to tell me that you're going to miss me? Just say it, though.
Mirabel is not about missing you. And by the way, what is wrong with missing you? Huh? You're my daughter. But it's not about that. Mirabel, I have this very strange feeling. I don't want you to embark on this journey. Please, listen to me.
Dad, you don't need to be scared. I'm an adult. I know how to take care of myself. Don't worry.
Yeah, my daughter is an adult. That's true. But I'm still your father. And I want you to listen to the voice of reason. Mirabel, please. Or, well, if you insist, it's all right. Just take care of yourself, huh?
Okay.
I'll put you in my prayers.
I will. I know you're worried. Don't worry.
No. I'll put you in my prayers, huh?
Okay,
it's all
Dad.
right. Take care.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Oh, nobody is in that bus. It remain half, we gon' go. It remain half, we gon' go. Oh,
Oh, but what do they worry you now? What do they walk you? Call passengers, now make person come up from here. What do they stop you now? See passengers everywhere. You just say
no, but now that you call the passenger.
I go collect this thing for your hand, though. I go collect them. I go collect them.
This is my respiration, please. Don't collect it.
Oh, my God. Somebody can do the one tax.
Yeah, 500 without stress. Damn. You're a big boy. If you can add any Chelsea money, I will be very happy.
All passengers, make we come out.
Etigwe, 500. It's not so. Get inside.
Enter na 500. Okay, you carry your things, though. I don't get set to quarrel.
Nyash of no return. Yeah.
How much?
500.
500. How many can do? 500. See where passengers dey. Look, see passengers everywhere. Full this bus, make I Madam, enter. 500. Carry your change. I no get change, oh.
Those ones, why
Madam, you go pay for 2 persons, though. You go pay for 2 persons. Now 2 seats they pay for. Now 2 seats they pay for.
Outside weight lock inside.
Now 2 seats they pay for.
Half passengers don't go. Little thing that matters. It's 500 though.
Make we dey go.
It's 500 though.
Make we dey go.
Ah, content to first mo come here now.
Half chance remaining.
Make sure say you hold your change, oh. Me I no get set to quarrel. Hold your change.
See.
Hold your change, oh.
Right. Somebody awakening the spirit of libido into me.
Hold your change.
I am not here to argue. Your change should be intact.
And I
Bring
don't
money.
have English. I don't have English. Collect money. No time.
That's person no go reach where they go. Now they collect money.
I'll pay your money.
I don't want to have
Do fast. Collect money and you go. I not get that time.
money now. I always shout.
You not pay now. If they not pay now.
Bring
they don't
money.
pay again. I said make everybody carry change. Why that one not carry change?
Why did you give me 1,000? Why did you give me 1,000? Small pin that can charge iPhone. Take your change.
Now so those small people they do.
Small bet mighty. Small pin charger that can charge iPhone. I don't know.
She don't pay for 2 seats. Now 2 seats she go pay for.
It is true. Come. What is the remaining 500? Why did you give me 500?
I don't go pay again, no.
Don't let me come
I
down.
don't go pay again, no.
Where
Where would they go?
You are shouting on top of me.
I'm not gonna move this car.
No, they go pay. I don't go pay.
I'm not gonna move
I don't go pay again,
She
no.
never give you 500. She never give you 500. Huh?
I like the way you spit on people. Driver, I never know that there is a bulldog in this very vehicle. I told him, sorry for your better. Move, cow. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, no be waiting you do make me they move this car. I just they move and make her move her. No be waiting you do.
Just leave her.
Say as you carry glasses, cover your eye like person we go stay yesterday night.
Outside with log balloon.
I no mind now. Now to know
Very
whether
rubbish libido.
this.
Mama, what is it now?
Yeah.
What is going on?
Atman. Tell everybody make they come down from this car. This guy be overheat though.
Which kind of this one?
This car they overheat. Tell everybody make they come down. We know they go.
Yeah, calm down. Let us fix the car. Calm down. Driver. Excuse me. What do we do now? Yeah. Should I bring fire extinguisher? You say the car is overheating. Should I bring fire extinguisher?
Yeah, man. You they mad. Betting they worry you. Betting you want use fire extinguisher do for motor where they overheat. Something they worry you for it.
We need to calm the temperament of the car.
Now the temperament of the bulldog where you can. Now you suppose they go the car. Tell them make they come down and find their way they go. We know they go again. The car they overheat.
We need to calm the brain and
Driver,
the
please,
nerves.
when will all this be over? I have lectures to catch up with, and I can't afford to miss it.
Shabina, that's small one.
Are the little things that matters. Sorry, ma. Calm down. Our car is on its heat period, and we are looking for any available air condition to cool the brain. You understand? So don't kill yourself. It will soon be over.
You shut up. Who asked for explanation? Spare me explanation and save my time.
I never know that you were the one that is on your heat period.
I never found this.
You don't start up.
When will this car be ready to move?
Next tomorrow, last week.
Atman, why you stop the motor? Why you stop?
Driver,
I don't know.
when is this car moving?
Tomorrow morning.
Give us our phone money.
What are you talking about?
Driver.
Atman, help me the blow and make
I don't know.
I can no refund if you don't pay. You just fire away they go.
If you waste more of my time, I'm going to scatter everything waiting for you. If like say you don't know me, don't ask question or I'll be crazy person.
I thought it was only one bulldog. I don't know that they were teammates.
How you take carry my person? You carry bulldog, carry my person. Now you have and you know they get sense. You know they get sense. You know they get sense.
Hold me!
You know they get sense.
Hold me! Hold me! Hold me! Hold me! Hold me! Hold me! Try me again! I will tear you into pieces! I will tear you into pieces!
Hey, when I get locked, everybody when I enter, the car don't start. You don't
Go
start.
inside the car.
I'll for change of all of you.
You
Robin,
don't start. You don't start when I enter.
look at. That's your friend. Get inside the car.
When I enter, when I
Leave
enter.
them. Leave them. They are not serious.
Come on
You got-
for us for me.
My God.
Leave her. Just come inside. Leave her.
I'm not afraid of you.
You need deliverance.
Will you get out?
Now that small one, they make noise pass. Now that small one. Now that small
Tell me
one.
two things.
See small people, now then they give trouble pass.
Shut up.
They have love. A very strong libido love.
They get locked.
Very strong love.
They get locked. Because like this now, if not, they say this can start. I'm not go anywhere.
You are right on your. Let's
Yeah.
go back. Let's go back, oh.
There is something on this road. There is something on this road.
Let's go back. Afraid is catching me.
You come from.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Driver, what is all this again? Eh? What is going on?
Enya, these things, they are sacrificed for the gods of this land.
Sacrifice?
God.
For what again? What kind of gods?
How?
No be juju be this. Yeah?
Why would someone place such a thing on the road? What does it signify?
I don't talk on this thing now food for the gods of this land. Ah, wahala. Good dog, they laugh.
Mr.
Why
Man,
good dog, they laugh?
Mr. Man, you funny, yo. How can someone place this as a sacrifice? What happened to goat and chicken?
The truth of the matter is that goat meat don't cost for market now. So the thing follow affect the gods.
Akpan,
Yeah?
Akpan, behave yourself. Oh. Akpan, behave yourself before you collect.
While growing up, I used to see something like this. But it's Fanta and snacks.
No be fanta with that.
Okay, please. We are all right. Can we just go? Some of us have lots of things to do.
Sorry, Madam Toothpick. Yes.
Why are you always like this girl? Eh? Are you the only one that has something to do? It's okay.
Talk to my shoes.
Your shoe they hear what?
Talk to me in that man again. 2 seconds, I'm going to find out to come out. I mean, the man.
Excuse
Your own self.
Yeah, keep quiet.
Na spitting competition be
I mean,
this.
won't sleep for
Spitting
you.
Nobody
competition.
push me, yo.
Ask him.
See, if you follow me here and again, if you
come
follow, I
close to
go
me.
tell them for you. I go tell them for you now.
Wait,
It's okay.
Nami get that one. I been Nami where they change words with.
I mean, the man, they
Don't worry
press
for
no
you.
one. You
Yes,
guys
I'm
can't
sorry.
tell me.
Yes,
Wait,
yes,
you come away out.
No kill am.
Quiet.
Nami where you go, someone. Nami where you take out, someone. Something worry for head.
No kill am.
I didn't know.
No kill am, please. You know be
Enough, oh. Wahala dey here, we dey here, they quarrel ourselves. Wahala dey, enough.
random quarrel.
Hey, Akpan,
Eh?
I don't remember.
Oh,
Akpan,
talk to me, Pastor.
say today that you came market day.
Yes.
We don't die.
Memory loss.
We don't die. Akpan, we don't die.
Wetin happen na my spirit be
We don't die.
Wetin happen?
You know, say our neighboring village,
Yeah.
they've been there reside for here before they relocate
Yes.
to where they're there now.
Yes. Emotional.
Wahala.
Yeah.
Story has it that for this place like this,
Yeah.
saying that where their gods been there, as they come out, story has it that this place, say nobody they pass on they can market, they say spirits, they here, they buy market. Nobody will carry head, they pass here.
You know,
We don't die.
you brought us to this place.
I don't remember.
What do you want us to do now?
Maba, I don't remember.
What's the way out?
I don't remember, Maba. I don't remember.
Sorry, another bulldog is here.
Sorry, I don't remember.
So what are we going to do now? What's the way forward? What are we going to do?
You are supposed to say what is the way backward.
Go back.
The way backward, not forward.
We have to go back. We have to go back. Everybody go back.
Now.
Put dog, leave me alone. Put dog, leave me alone. Put dog, leave me. Put dog, leave me.
Exactly. Because no one can outrun his or her shadows. You know the truth. Today is a car market day. Yet you failed.
Is that I cannot run on my own accord. Come here, come. Sit down.
Hi. Where are we going to now? Eh?
I cannot just run alone anymore.
Where do we go now? Where are we going to? Eh? I think the more we think of how to live here, the deeper we go. How do we live here?
Yeah. Deeper into the ocean. So,
how do we live here now?
We should be praying for any available helicopter to come and take us home. To nowhere. Oh. God of the poor. How come CJ? I don't know if this man is an artificial deaf and dumb kind of human being. A humanitarian region. Why is he not talking? Since he came into this forest, Pim, the dog. Which kind of person be this?
But he spoke a few moments ago.
What did he spoke?
He supposed to leave that spot now.
That's the only thing that used to come out of his mouth. Leave spot. Is that one lies? Has he ever said, I am hungry? Or Chineke mo, lenden achum. Haburum naga. Ouch!
Where's the name, sir?
Yeah?
Where's the name?
Are you trying to test me? My name is Aban.
Thanks, name.
So what is your own name?
My name is Hannah.
Hannah? From the Bible. Hananians. Hannah onions. It's everywhere. Yeah.
Should we ask him his name?
You dey Chris? Ask who his name. You know they say saying I they read? This guy that fit beat us. As you know they talk. If he they beat, he's shut up now. Boom, back, boom. Is that how you laugh? You are laughing as if you are one big one akamoko.
Let's go.
You see, that's the only thing he knows how to say. When his mother bore him, the mother spat in let's go into his mouth. He cannot say any other thing in this life apart from let's go. Stop laughing. You are laughing. Your laugh is increasing my libido. See, the next thing that will come out of his mouth now is, let us leave here at once. Are you doubting me? Now watch. 1, 2, ready, go.
Let's leave here at once.
I said it.
I said it.
You don't know who I am. I'm a detective. Yeah?
Hello.
You are running like an earthquake. National earthquake. Out of my way!
This is all your fault. If you hadn't been arguing like an overfed he-goat, maybe the driver would have taken us out of that spot before the strange woman came in.
See, don't allow me to vest my anger on you. Right now, I have a lot going on in my head. If by any chance you get me angry, I'll go use slow motion and I'll go disable this office for you.
Hey, what will you do? If you try touch him, you go know waiting a woman is ready.
Small winch. You are spoken enough for the day.
Now me ready to talk to
I
you.
think it's that time for me to put in your
Look at him. Man indeed. Man indeed. Shame on you. Look at him. You don't even have strength. And you've been here. Wrapping your mouth.
I was not prepared.
You're not prepared. Look at him. You're not prepared. Oh my God. Shame on you.
Let's do it.
God, it's so funny.
Let's do it.
Seriously.
Hey, Bulldog, now you small girl fall for ground like that.
Hey, no come small girl.
See, I just allowed her.
Now you small girl fall for ground like
If
that.
you don't hold me now, I will scatter.
You will do nothing. You stupid human being. If you
Hey, don't do. You don't do.
I just allowed you.
See, you see the phone, a woman, she don't fall here again.
No,
Oh my God.
You see that phone?
You're still falling.
You don't do. They make noise like this. We go for the talker, we want to come up for
You're
here.
not a man. You're not a man. You're a girl.
Shut up, this nothing.
Not your own.
Hey, stay out of this. Stay out of this.
Say, small pepper, see, if
get
you
out.
talk reach me, I go quench you.
As what?
I go ask this and I go quench you.
Look at your face.
I go quench you.
Oh, my baby is increasing. My baby is increasing. Oh, say we lost somebody. Say, oh, the death of a regime. Gone too soon. RIP. A young man with flesh and blood. A young man with flesh and water. Imagine, very quiet in the bus. He doesn't look for trouble. He was just there, even when all your mouths were doing, he was just there doing nothing, and now he died on a platter of gold. Oh, I want to kill myself.
It's okay, dear. It's okay. You put yourself together. I'll be fine.
Leave me alone. I'm mourning. I am mourning. Leave me alone. Yeah, I want to join my ancestors. I can't be there to witness somebody's death and do nothing. I would have just grabbed that woman. Grab her and attack. That's how it's supposed to be. But now, I allow the boy to die of hunger. Wait. Are you laughing at my predicament?
No, not at all. I'm just amused by your voice because it sounds so funny.
You're amazing by my voice. Yeah? Which kind of thing be this? I say I want to kill myself. Hold me.
It's okay. You're so funny.
Hold me.
Let's leave here now.
Yeah?
Let's leave at once.
Kill me.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come and kill me.
Let's go.
Come and kill me.
Shebody don't tell you now. Next time, underestimate the strength of a woman.
Yeah, calm down. That fight was not really necessary. It was not necessary. I don't understand. Why would they fight ourselves? Waiting for the talk now, how we go take team up like one party, one person, so we go fit. And they talk, you see they raise hand. It's a walking now. Not the woman you be. Not the woman you be. If you come beat now, they go say domestic violence, say they beat woman. Domestic violence, and abuse.
But you started it first. Why would they ever think of hitting a girl?
Bro, free am. Just free am, no reason now. You not saying a woman. You go touch her now, they will say na woman with a flex mouth so far. Sure you get free the girl.
You not try me again.
You know go shut up. Brotherly. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, no reason now.
Thanks, man.
No reason now.
Thanks, man.
No reason now. Just no reason and allow her. Free and make she parole they go. No saying a woman. Anything when you do her now, they go say you deflect your muscle for woman body. Free arm. Okay. You know they necessary. And you know say you be woman now. If you open and give you one blow for her now, they go say violence, domestic violence. No, they quarrel. I don't tell you now. Woman, you be respect your boundary. Now we can't vessel on a bio. No, the side don't they better now. I go allow make you enter you small.
Look at
bro.
You see her mouth.
Calm down. It's the warrior now. Calm down.
Look at him.
Calm down. Bro, no reason. No reason. Free him.
You don't want fight. You know they're my blood.
Free him. But waiting stop, you see. After now, ever since we were there, I don't they call you Budog. Waiting be your name now. We don't find ourselves for jungle like us know you.
My name is Brian.
Brian. You go school or see the find the way they answer. Oh boy. Right now, my own name is Christian. Friends, pals, where they are around for area where they catch. Now Christ, they call me. If you call Christ, everybody go know me. They go direct to come my area. We don't meet ourselves now. Blood, nothing do you. Nothing do you. We go there be now. So how you go tell you how you go take come up for this area like this? Oh, sorry. Easy. Sorry, don't.
Come on. Just come. Come. It's time to run.
We have been so close from the boss. You've always looked out for me, even without knowing me. I'm sorry I couldn't help you when you needed me most.
It's fine, okay?
Okay, I understand.
They strengthen and show say man be man and man go always be man. They help women. If they help them, they know they say that they help them.
At least some are men, why some answer men because of the long journey dangling in between their legs.
Now me get that. Now me get that line.
If only he knows his mouth smells so bad, he will always learn to keep quiet.
Now me get that.
Chris. Wait, Chris.
What do you want to do?
Really? You want to hit a woman?
Bro, I know hit them. Not just correction. You know, say the Holy Book talk say make we not spare the rock, spoil the child. I won't just correct them. Correction, she go collect them.
I see.
Can the preacher ever do what he preaches?
Hey.
If I beat you, you go diminish.
Chris.
Bruh. For just let me make a... No, one or two. One or two.
Just forget it. You just have to leave this forest.
Please, can we just continue?
No, let's try and find the other people.
Then go for front, go
Get
stay.
out! Get out!
Go for front, go stay. You see as tiny as you did.
Run for your life! Run for your life! Oh, how do I carry you? Give me! Give me! Hey! What's going on? Where's the baby about? Why are you there? Where the hell? I can't see you. Where are you? We can't see you. Did that? Is that like London? Huh? Hey! What? What happened? Everywhere was so everywhere built up. It was there. I couldn't see you guys anymore. Serious? Even with you, we couldn't see you. Yes, now we have been here. Yes. It is very dark.
Let's leave this forest at once. This place is very dangerous.
So you can talk fluently like this.
Let's live here.
Yeah. You have seen here I cannot go without testing this microphone.
Try it.
I like this magic. Let me go and test my own.
You can go. Go and find out.
You say it's very dark, Abby? Yeah. Very dark man. I am a man.
Don't try it.
It begins a step.
See, I said it.
Where is it?
I said it.
Where is it?
This place is dangerous. We need to leave here.
Jesus.
See, I told you. Let's go. Let's go.
Now I ain't book with that. That's the lyrics.
Jesus.
Now she didn't look good. Why she didn't look like that? Thanks, ma, for appearing in peace. You got a good appearance.
She looks strange. She looks strange. Why did she save us?
I think we should go after her.
Eh? Go after who?
We should go after her.
God forbid. Why should we go after her? She cannot.
She's not that bad. If she can harm us, she wouldn't have saved our lives. I suggest we should go after her.
Are you sure this woman is not your family member? Because she was just looking at you. Yeah?
Are you coming or not?
We're not coming or
I don't think
not.
she have a choice. I don't think we have a choice.
We have a choice, so.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm now good there. Where could she be? Where she go? Where she gonna go? Yeah? But why that woman they look like that? That's fine. Now she they call me. That's fine. Now you be there.
Let's drive her.
Hey! You are alive!
Hey guys, okay?
I just say you don't die, yo. I don't search.
Yeah, I don't search Google, search map, I don't see you. I just say you don't join your ancestors. Who know what we don't carry one car now?
What kind of forest is this?
By now, they put on some tires and back. Yeah. Sit down.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That money where you collect, you never remit them. Pay there. The money.
You dey talk about money in the forest.
Why I not go talk about an account? In account to go do account though.
I hope you guys are okay. Or something bad has happened to you guys.
Not really, man. But I must confess, this forest is very dangerous. See, we must do anything. I mean, anything and everything it takes to get out of this forest.
How is that possible? Eh? We have been running in circles since, and none of us can even find a way out of this forest.
See that one where they vibrate. Woman better.
Yes, Chris. That woman, that thing, or whatever she is, she said that you know everything that is happening in this forest. Chris. Must you bring this up, man? Chris.
So woman beat you. You gotta help her. Woman beat you.
It's okay.
Eh?
Let's look for a way out of this forest. Stop bothering me.
Hello. Come and show him what you are made of in womanhood.
It's okay, bro.
Go away. Who is afraid of you?
It's alright.
Who is afraid of you?
It's okay, bro.
I know you and I know that you know the heart of this forest. Just take us out.
The forest, she been at my papa's like this.
But that woman was pointing at you, bro.
She been at my papa's.
She was pointing at you. That ghost, I don't know what is. Where are the others?
You dey Chris? Eh? So see the worry for head? Eh? Wait oh, na me where they ask that kind of question. No be me and you take off same time. Eh? No be where supposed to ask that kind of question. See, no try me oh. Respect yourself for this kind of place. You should have answer to that question.
But I don't!
Eh? Na me where they do like that. Eh? You won't make her beautiful for the second time. So see the worry for head.
Let me ask you. It isn't that before, right? I wasn't already that time. If you try me now, the way I go take enter, you know.
Shut up, boo! You know if you do anything. Shut up and relax. Such the worry for head. See, in fact, I don't even need your help to go from this should I say forest or be bush?
Fine. Yes, fine. Go.
I better come up for here because Oh, easy, please. Sorry. Brian, you're a good man. And thanks for being here. I really thank you, Lord, for saving me for the second time. I don't know why it took us this time to find us.
I think the question should be, why did it take us through fear and fire to find love?
I like the kiss. Can we do it again?
Relax. I love it too. But right now, I think we should think about our safety before pleasure.
How are you even sure that we're going to get out from this forest? We need to enjoy ourselves, even if it's the last thing that we do on earth. Can you just call me before I change my mind?
Please. Please don't hurt us. Please.
I'm not here to hurt you.
Okay.
I'm here to help you.
You want to help us? Why?
Because I'm in love with you.
In love?
Hey. You love who? Me?
Love. Just accept.
Why?
Accept.
Come with me. Don't be scared. You don't have to be scared.
Okay. Please, can you help me save my friends? Can you?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. She said she will do it.
Stay here, wait for me.
No, we've been here before. This place is very mysterious. We can't stay here alone, please. We'll go with you.
The forest is mine.
Okay,
you don't have to be scared.
This place is very dangerous.
I'll help you with your friends.
Okay.
Stay here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Don't be scared.
Please, don't stay here. Don't hurt us, please.
I am not here to hurt you.
Please don't kill us, please.
Then what?
To help you to your friends.
To our friends?
Yes. Come. Come.
Are you sure you're not going to hurt us? Whoa, that was very amazing. Bro, you guys are...
What are you doing here? I'm okay, I'm fine, I'm fine.
She told us she was going to bring us to you guys. Yes. I adapted it, man.
She sister.
Bro,
She did look me.
She said she's in love with you.
Bro, no, I'm not comfortable.
Float on the air, man.
I will be back.
No, don't worry, let her leave.
She said she's in love with me.
That's what I'm talking about.
Bro, congratulations. You'll be flying.
How did she get to be in love with you?
You are very lucky.
How?
See, you flew on the air. We disappeared. You'll be flying. Yes! Right there, I told you. You flew, right? You flew on the air, right?
I missed you.
Are you okay, man?
I see me. I'm okay. I'm not here.
You can see that.
Wait, guys.
Where is Chris? The driver, where is he?
This Chris? Yeah.
It's true.
The driver!
It's true.
Where's Chris?
It was at this same spot he vanished.
What? Which spot?
Bro, come on. Come.
Yeah.
Right here. Don't run.
Where?
Don't go there. Don't know.
You don't have to be scared with me.
Okay.
My driver is gone.
Yeah.
My friend. How do I pay? Oh! Car inheritance.
Your friend is gone.
I'm in love.
He knew the rules.
Yeah.
Yes, my friend. Your friend is gone.
There's no way out.
Chris.
You are lucky.
Oh! I'm going to get now.
Pressing down, I see they touch BS.
Please. Who are you? I know you are not a spirit. I can see it.
My name is Mara.
Mara.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
The forest is mine.
That's why you take them.
I am the queen of the forest.
Nice. Thank you for being the queen of the forest. So as it stands now, how are you going to help our libido to go and be happy?
Want to go home? Yes.
Everybody, let
Yes,
me
I'll
introduce
take you out of the forest.
guys, let me introduce my libido to you people. Babe,
What is libido?
I swear, look at natural BBL.
You're very stupid.
Libido. Libido is
You can't even explain it.
Tita will tell you that one.
It's very soft. It then goes in between legs, sprinkling legs.
What the hell?
Please.
Bro, we can go. You can just stay back.
No, how can you say
no,
that?
just stay back. You enjoy
I
the
don't know her.
You will
Love
fly.
you,
Bro, calm down.
Bro, you will fly. You will fly. Don't worry. You will fly.
I don't want to fly.
You don't need to know. Just stay.
No, I'm going with you guys.